Congratulations, now that you have your PMP certification, which certification should you go for next? Hello and welcome to PMCLounge.com. My name is Shoaib. I'm the voice behind all the videos that you see on this website as well as our official YouTube channel, youtube.com/PMCLounge. If you're watching this on YouTube, consider subscribing. We are all about PMP and other project management related certifications. Now, in this video, I'm answering a question that I get asked often, and that is, I have done my PMP. Which certification should I go for next? So my approach to answering this question is a bit different, because when you ask someone which certification you should go for after PMP, it really depends on the person that you are asking, right? So if you are asking this question to someone who basically trains people for certification, and that is what they do for a living, then they are going to suggest you a certification that they obviously train for, and they'll also tell you the dates when the next classes are scheduled. There's this quote which says, "To a hammer, everything is a nail," and that is precisely the approach you are following here, right? Now, the larger question here, if you personally ask me, is when you're done with your PMP, what exactly does PMP mean to you? Why did you get yourselves the PMP certification? Was this certification a milestone in your career path which is already defined? So you have a career journey, a career path already defined, and there was this milestone called PMP which you have achieved. If that was the case, then you continue on your journey. There could be other milestones that you might have defined, right? The other way to look at it is, you did your PMP, you studied a lot, you studied all the knowledge areas, you studied agile, you studied predictive, iterative, whatever, right? You have gained a lot of knowledge. And now that you have gained a lot of knowledge, you might want to pivot. You might want to make a slight left turn on your career path. You want to change your career path, and you have been, let's say, doing construction projects, and you really loved agile when you were basically doing your PMP preparation, and now you want to move towards agile, and you realize that a lot of software projects basically follow agile. So you want to get into the software industry, and you want to get yourselves into agile related projects. If you want to do that, if you want to do some kind of pivot, then I'm not suggesting that you go ahead and right away get yourselves an agile related certification. But what I'm suggesting you is, if you want to pivot, then look at job openings of agile related software project manager, right? And that is just an example if you really want to move into agile. So do a Google search, look out for the job descriptions and qualifications that companies look for when they hire agile project managers. Are there any specific certifications that they are looking for? Chances are, if you have PMP, you are actually good. But there are also chances that they might be looking for PMP plus maybe a CSM, or maybe a disciplined agile certification, or maybe a safe certification, right? Then those are the certifications that you can target. But even before going there, even before going for those certifications, I would suggest you to basically dip your feet in the water a bit more. Try and understand the job responsibilities of an agile project manager, if that is where you want to go, right? And try to see if you fit in that role or not before going all out and going for a professional certification right away, right? Because you see, the worst thing that could have happened to you is that you treated PMP as your high school, right? So after high school, people go for bachelor's degree, and now you're wondering what is the bachelor's degree equivalent now that you have PMP, right? So in this case, what is the bachelor's degree equivalent? That's the worst case, right? Because that is the wrong mindset about PMP. PMP is a professional certification. It is project management professional. The other certifications that PMI offers, let's say PGMP, which is Program Management Professional, PFMP, RMP, SP, ACP, all the P's in the end here, they stand for professional. So when you have PMP plus, let's say, ACP, Agile Certified Professional, you are expected to operate at a professional level in Agile environment. You are not expected to operate at, let's say, just starting out amateur level. That is something which you should do before getting yourselves the certification itself. So personally, I would say focus on your job, focus on the work you do, figure out where you want to go next. If you want to pivot, take those amateur starting steps in that direction, and then think about the professional certification that you should go for after you're done with your PMP. Remember, to a hammer, everything is a nail. So it really depends on who you are asking this question, right? So that's all in this video. I hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to check out our website pmclounge.com. Tons of articles and videos if you're preparing for PMP or other project management related certifications. And I'd like to remind you, if you haven't subscribed to us already, please do so. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.